welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to make a expense tracker app in code.org app lab. So it can track our expense, like how many rupees we have spent on this. So we will name this app expense tracker. Expense tracker. We'll set the font size 30. Expense tracker. We'll set the background color. We will make it more attractive. We will take green color and we will choose the image of, we'll go on icons, we will get the image of rupees, INR. Yes, now we will take a button here. We will name this button Get Started. We will set the color of this button. Let's keep it blue, dark blue. We will take another screen, new screen. Now we will take here this app will store this memory permanently. We can delete the memory too if we want. So first text input will be text input 1 and placeholder will be, we will keep the placeholder as name, and here we will keep placeholder will be monthly salary. Yes, we will color this. Background color will be, we will keep red because before it was green, now it will be red. We will take this button. We will also color this button. We will also color this button. We will green. We will set green. We will go up, name this button Submit. Yes. Now we want another screen. Now here we will write here write expense. WRITEEXPENSE. Expense. We will make a greeting too, means it will, when we will enter this app, when we will log in and enter this app, it will say hi. We will set this font size of this label 25. Okay, and we will set the border width at 3. You can set 5 too. We will erase the text here. we will color this right expense. We should set this pink. Now we will take another button. Here we will write read expense, READ expense. We will set this color again pink. Yes. We will set another button for logging out. If a person want to log out, so he can log out. Log out. We will set this color. We will set red color. Yes. Now we will take another screen. You can take another screen through this also. Design text box. We will drag your screen. It will change into another screen. Now here we will be writing our expense category. Here expense like category will be, first we will write, for example, school. It is SCHOOL, and for second, for example, it is for children's. We can write grocery, clothes, bank, food, entertainment, and many more. For example, now we will write other. Yes. As some work is done, so now we want description, like for what we have given for fees, for notebooks. So we'll write description, and here we will take another text input. We'll write the name of this text input, amount. It is so much important. Amount. We will write here, we will take button right here, save, and we will take another button. It will be back, to go back. BACK, back. We will set the background color. Here we don't want to set icon, we will only set the background color. We will set the save background color. Save is always green. We also want to, when we will click button save, it should say as successfully saved. So we will take a text label. We'll write here saved. 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 Success. FULLY, successfully. We will take it at the center here. We will set the text color. Here is the option of text color. Green, because we have to show that it is successfully. So success is always, color of success is always green. Now we want another screen to read expense. So we will make a chart of the expense. So we need a chart. We'll give the chart, and here we will drag a button, and here we will write back, because the person can see the chart and go back. So now our all designing is over. Let's check, is it correct? Yes. First it will show the screen, then this screen, then this screen, then this screen. We'll set the background color of the screen at yellow. Okay. Now we will check another screen. Another. Yes. Now our all designing is done. Now we will code. First we will do step by step. First on event. First button. This is button 2. So I will. You can know the button. You can know the button ID here. ID will come when we will go on that button. When we will click, then set screen. It will set the screen 2, because when we will, let's run it. When we will click on get started, it will set screen 2. Yes, we will reset now. We will go on second screen, on event, when clicked on, button 4. This is button 4. Then go on set screen 3. We also want on third screen that hi plus their name. So we will again take on event. We will take set text. On event we will give the button ID 4. It will, the button 4 will also will help us to go on third screen, and also it will write hi. So we will set the text. We will go on screen 3. This is label 3. So now we will take label 3. Yes, we have taken label 3. So label 3 We'll go on maths. We'll take plus here. Drag it to the set in front of set text. So we'll write here. We'll take a quotation mark. Right here, hi. I will capital. Hi. We will give space because we want space to space, quotation mark closed. And then we will take get text from input text 1. Here is input text 1 on the screen. Here. So let's try. Run this. Get started. I will name this. My real name is Arush. So I will write Arush. And monthly income I will write 100 or 1000 or 10,000, anything. We will click on submit. Yes, it is saying hi Arush. Yes, now you can write here any name. So now we'll go on to the screen. So when we will go click the button write expense, it should set screen. We will first take 3 on events because we need them. We will go down. We will take set screen here. When click on button 5. When clicked on button 5, set screen. This is button 5. So set screen, button screen 4. And again we will go and take set screen. We'll name here, this is button 6. So take button 6 ID and we will screen 5. Yes, we'll set screen 5. We'll take another set screen. Now when we will click on logout button 7. We will give on event ID button 7 because we have to log out. So it will set screen first only, it is from. So let's check all. Is it functioning properly? Get started. Name Arush 10,000. Submit. Hi Arush. When we will go on write expense. Now we have to code back. We need back to, no? We have to go on. We will click screen reset. And now we'll go on screen 4. We'll go up. We'll take a on event. We will set the ID of button 9. It will set screen. Set screen 3. And we want another screen 5 also contains a back. So we need another on event